Welcome back. In conclusion, we're going to work through a scenario with the View menu as well as with your Microsoft Word document. And earlier we talked about being able to create content from an outline that you created in Microsoft Word. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go to content created in Microsoft Word and turn it into an outline. Now, assuming you already have content in Microsoft Word, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the View command, and then you're going to go to the Outline view in Microsoft Word. And what you're going to notice is that you have some bullet points here, and you want to make sure that these bullet points are all on the same line. So for example, you don't want to have those that are indented because the PowerPoint import will only take those outline points that are leftmost. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we have everything that we want to appear on one slide with one bullet point here on the left-hand margin. So what we've done now is we've saved the document and we have one point lined with each one of the bullet points. So what we're going to do now is we're going to save this document. And once we've done that, we're going to close the outline view. We can then close up this document. What we're going to do now is we're going to go to our View command, and then we're going to go to the Slide Master. Now what's going to happen is that when we import the documents, they're all going to come in to this title bar. And so what we want to do is we want to pull the title bar into the area of the slide where it's actually going to appear. We can then go in and take out the other elements of the master slide. We will not need them. What we can also do with this master area is we can then make sure that the content is going to be centered. So we're going to do that. And so now we're ready then to import our content. What we're going to do now is we're going to click Close Master View. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the New Slide area. We're going to grab slides from an outline. And we're now going to insert the document that we just saved. We're going to click the word Insert. And what you'll notice now is that we have a sentence document based on the outline that we created. And we can now save this PowerPoint to then further customize it for our presentation. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.